Springtime is here and flowers, they are starting to bloom. Today we are in the crafting corner with our crafty mom, Courtney Gosnell, with a fun springtime activity. Courtney, always good to see you. What are we making today?
Thanks for having me. We are decoupaging mason jars and they turn out so cute and they are so simple.
Okay, let's do it.
So all you really need is a glass jar or mason jar.
Okay.
And once you have that, you are going to paint it white. I already have this one done for you. It's just going to create a more solid background so it's not see-through. But if you want it more see-through, then leave it clear and
sure.
Yeah. And then, so once you're done with that, you are going to take a decorative napkin. Who knew that napkins could peel apart and just create a beautiful, right?
And who doesn't have some of these left over from whatever hosting you've done?
Showers or any type of parties. So once you have that, you're going to take and actually peel the napkin apart. So you're going to take the white backing off the napkin.
See?
There you go.
Okay.
And that is going to create your design. And then once you have that, you're literally just going to take your mason jar and you are just going to, this is how you're going to just create the perfect size, and you're just going to see how much you need, and then you're just going to cut off the excess of the napkin and disregard it. I already have one cut for you.
Perfect.
So once you have your size cut, then you're going to take your mason jar and you are just going to put a thin layer of Mod Podge on this.
Okay. I went to Hobby Lobby recently, also doing fun craft things. They have so many different kinds of Mod Podge.
They do.
Does it matter which one?
I did not know until now that they make a dishwasher safe one.
Yes.
So I would use that just because if you want to put flowers in it, clean it out in the dishwasher, or rinse it out, it will make it safe to do so.
Okay, so you do a thin layer.
You do.
Once you have all of that.
Then you're just going to lay it down on your napkin, and you're just going to roll it, and it will stick to it just like that. That is perfect.
Okay.
And then you are going to take more glue, and you're just going to create a top layer on top.
Nice.
There you go, and that is going to seal it.
And then that's it.
That is it.
How fun. Well, you said you did this with Harper, and she loved it.
She did. She loved it.
And think of all the things that are coming up. I know there's lots of little spring birthdays. Mother's Day is coming up.
Yes.
How cute would this be to make for any mom, grandma in your life? And it's super easy.
Exactly.
Something to do. How long do you let this cure for once you've got it?
Yep, just for a couple hours. And what I did to just kind of top it off and make it a little extra special is I put twine around the top of it, or you can tie ribbon. I just feel like it creates it and brings it all together.
It gives it that little extra pop. We have an example here. Actually, that's the one that Harper made.
Yes, Harper did make that one, and she thought that she would maybe put a tea light in that and put it in her bedroom.
That's perfect.
So if you don't want to put flowers in it, you can put a little light in it.
Yeah, see, look, and I did that in the time it took us to do this segment. So perfect for an afternoon. If you've got a few extra minutes, go for it.
There you go.
How fun. Courtney, thanks so much. You can find more